Hi guys, and welcome back. If you'd like to see how I achieve this green smoky eye look, then just keep on watching. Starting with Kat Von D concealer, I'm using this as a base for my eyelid. After setting my lids with translucent powder, I'm taking the color Eden from ABH's Prism palette and using this as my transition color. Next, I'm going in with the color Villani from Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to place this color in my crease line. I'm taking the Dream Street palette by Kathleen Lights, and I'm taking this turquoise color and placing it on the corner of my eyelid. Going in with the same palette, I'm taking this shimmery hunter green color, and I'm just going to place it about a third into my eyelid. Next, I'm taking the Magic palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm using the color Yara and placing this on the rest of my lid. Going back into the Prism palette, I'm taking the color Lucid, and I'm placing this on the inner corner of my lid. And I'm just blending everything together. To prep my face, I'm using a Versali serum. Next, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty primer, and I've really been using this as a moisturizer during the cold months. And I'm using the NARS Radiant Foundation and the LA Girl Concealer. Next, I'm just blending out the contour, and I use the Warm Pantone palette from Sephora. I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara for my lashes. Next, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me powder to set the rest of my face. And I'm just going back in with the Dream palette and smoking out my bottom lash line. Next, I'm taking a Moscow Mule, and I'm using this as a blush and highlighter. I'm taking the color Espresso to line my lips. And then I'm taking the color Sunday Fun Day by Too Faced as my lip color. I'm going to place the color Sure Thing by Too Faced in the center of my lips. And next, I'm going in with this beautiful lip gloss in the color number 1 from Sephora to place on top. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye!